Hi! Welcome to And Sabi ni Kate. This is our first vlog episode, ladies and gentlemen, entitled Insured Ka Na Ba? Imahin mo na the art of personal selling of life insurance in the digital age. Let's get ready to dig in. First case in point. Let's define what personal selling is. According to Philip Kotler, personal selling consists of interpersonal interactions with customers and prospects to make sales and maintain customer relationships. Kotler also notes personal selling as the most effective tool at later stages of the buying process because it boosts buyer preference, conviction, and action. Why is it effective? First advantage is there's an interaction between a seller and its prospect. Both of them can give immediate feedback to each other. Second, there's high customer attention, meaning the prospect is not easily distracted. Third, message can be tailored to the recipient that could help in addressing his or her needs. Lastly, the seller is also involved in the purchase decision. However, ano kayong mga disadvantages of personal selling? At times, messages may be inconsistent. Second, it is laborious. It really requires hard work. Its cost is relatively high, and there's limited customer reach. But there are industries who are reliant to personal selling as an effective marketing tool because of its impact in driving their sales. Ganyan ang case ng life insurance, which falls under the category of unsought goods. These are products that are not normally bought by consumers dahil hindi nila need ito as of the moment. Offering life insurance can be really challenging. So life insurance agents heavily rely on personal selling to get clients. They begin with prospecting or finding potential customers, which often comes within their network and referrals.
Pre-pandemic, I was maybe 3 years in sa insurance industry. Most of my clients at the time were mga friends, families, classmates from before, workmates from before. And then how I offered insurance, we'd set up a meeting, usually sa mga coffee shops, sa office nila, sa homes nila. And then during the interview, that's when I offer yung mga insurance policies namin.
Life insurance agents depend heavily on personal selling to close a deal. With the challenge brought by the pandemic, which limited in-person interaction, paano kaya sila nag-cope? How did the life insurance industry transition from physical to digital to drive sales?
Sobrang laking struggle talaga kasi very disruptive talaga yung pandemic. Mag-a-adjust ka rin talaga kasi we don't dwell on the challenge eh. So, we overcome lang. So, maghanap ka talaga ng way how to overcome them. So, mostly online na lang siya. Sa Zoom, via call, very adaptive yung company. So that, when pandemic started, dun din yung time na we became the top insurance company. Parang naging opportunity pa siya for us.
In the Philippine context, the Philippine Insurance Commission has been welcoming technological breakthroughs in the insurtech for the local insurance industry, which have become useful for many life insurance companies in the country. With all these, how can the life insurance industry be assessed in this digital age?
Kind of easier to talk about insurance because people are, mas marami silang alam ngayon eh. Kasi in a click of a button, they can research on financial wellness and all that stuff. They can research about insurance. And then it's also easier kasi hindi na kailangan mag-meet in person. Everything can be done online. Mga papers na kailangan, email na lang, which was not the case before. So everything really went better because of the digital age natin.
To add, Accenture's Global Insurance Consumer Study conducted in 2021 best sum up the future of insurance with the emerging technologies by, first, addressing the differences among generational groups for digital offers. Dahil maraming age groups and iba-ibang demographics, they really have to identify what the client needs. Second is personalizing insurance products to meet consumer demand.
The company, si Pure Life UK, is they were able to provide full and continuous trainings na about the products, about how to deal with clients, especially with different segments, diba? Market segments, class A to E, we are educated how to deal with them kasi iba-iba talaga sila. Ano lang, be ready. Kailangan lang meron kang adequate knowledge dun sa yung mga situation sa economy, sa investments, sa mismong products ni ProLife UK, and about the client. So, para we will know what's the best recommendation for each and every client kasi hindi sila lahat the same eh.
Thirdly, is fostering trust in digital and human interaction, which is something that I would like to echo as someone who has experienced availing a life insurance policy via face-to-face interaction and online. Maganda talaga na may good mix of human and digital interaction to ensure that engagement remains and trust is built between the client and the financial advisor. And that concludes today's episode. See you next time only here at Ang Sabi ni Kate.